Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to open a Wise account in 2025. So whether you need a Wise account to send money abroad, receiving international payments or holding multiple currencies, Wise is one of the best platforms for low fees and real exchange rates. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for wise.com. Now, once you are on this page, simply click on this register option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, over here, you can create your Wise account with the help of your email address, or you can even sign up with the help of Google, Facebook, and Apple ID. So, I'm going to select Gmail. Now, after signing up with the help of your Gmail account, it is going to ask you to select the account type. So if you are a person who has nothing to do with any business, you just want to spend and receive the money abroad effortlessly, I would recommend you to go with the personal account. But if you are a freelancer or if you have any kind of business and if you want to use Wise for your business, I would recommend you to create your business account. Let's say you want to create your personal account, so simply select the personal account from the given list, select your region. After that, press continue in the bottom. On the next page, it is going to ask you for the 2FA. So first of all, it will show you these types of details here. So you need to press continue in the bottom. Now here you need to provide your phone number. So make sure that your phone number is active and working. After providing your phone number details over here, simply click on the send verification code and an OTP will be sent on your registered email address. Then you need to provide that code on the next page and your third step will be completed. In the fourth step, you need to create a strong password for your Wise account, and then you need to just log in into your Wise account with the help of your login credentials like your email address and your password, and you are done creating your account at wise.com. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.